Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 13th of January, 2014. Sorry, 2015. Gotta get used to that, right? So here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of it, and you can see that, again, we pointed out last night, if you put the seeker and get rid of the qualifier, which means that the 13 has to be above the 8 to get the sell signal, then we actually got the sell signal on Friday. Instead, if you use the qualifier, then you get an asterisk for the 13. We would need to get back above the 8. So I have the qualifier on, but despite that, we ended up selling off today. We had a 16-point loss in the S&P, 43 on the MDX. Stocks lost 13, and the biotechs lost gained 16. Let's look real quick. Here's the biotechs up a little bit near highs. Here's the stocks index selling off, rolling over just a bit. Almost got a 13 sell signal there as well. There's the NASDAQ side, no sell signal on this. Did roll over and come back towards filling a gap from last Thursday morning. Here's the S&P cash index rolled over a bit. So definitely a negative session. Volume was reasonably good, actually. We closed the volume today at 1.72 billion shares, which is reasonable. I'll take that. And it was very strong early. We had a huge morning. I'll show you what the intraday action looks like. We had a real nice morning in futures and stocks. Here's a look at the VIX. 1960 closed out. It was up a bit, about 2 points for the session. And real quick, crude oil, we like to track this recently with everything going on here. We're now 9 bars. We have new 9-bar startup phase complete, and we closed at 48.36. Here's a look at gold that did climb. The intraday action, let's go back and take a look at the, we'll do it in 5-minute bars since it's an intraday. So you can see we gapped up just a small amount for the morning, and we sold off sharply, breaking the lows, filling the gap and breaking the lows from Friday real quick. That's a nice inverted base that we broke under. Gave us a real good move in a lot of stocks that we were able to short early on. Plus, we had a couple great futures plays early, all on the short side that all worked out. So it was a real nice morning, but unexpected for a Monday, obviously, to start out that quick, but we were on it. And then the rest of the day, we settled in on the VWAP. That's the purple line. You can see we even closed right on it. So the action was all in the first hour, and that's where you had to take advantage. What do we have coming out or to look forward to in the next couple of days? As we mentioned on the weekend report, we do have we do have options expiration this Friday. So Wednesday and Thursday will probably be the better trading days of the week. Tuesday, tomorrow, we just have JOLTS job openings in the morning, 30 minutes into the market, and the Treasury budget number at 2 p.m. Eastern. But then we have a lot of data Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and again, that expiration. So that's going to cause some unraveling of the options, probably on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday is going to be slow because of the fact that it is options expiration and also leading into a 3-day weekend. So I would expect Wednesday and Thursday to be the better trading days, but I was pleasantly surprised by what we saw on Monday, and we'll take a look and see what we get on Tuesday. Hope to see you in the lab charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. Have a great trading day.